to share with you exactly what is that entails what you need to do. You're going to learn how to master social media, and you're going to learn how to set the stage for explosive growth in 2025. I'm actually going to show you exactly what it takes to make 20K by the holidays. Now, I need you to screenshot this because I'm not giving you any earnings disclaimers. I'm not telling you just because you're on here tonight that you can make 20K by the end of this year, but I am sharing with you, I am going to break down how you can achieve 20K by the end of this year. I'm going to share with you the strategies of exactly what it takes to achieve that. Now, I want you to imagine right now, imagine having an additional $20,000 for the holidays that you earned from your own online business. Can you put in the chat how that would change your holidays if you made an additional 20,000 by the end of this year? Can you put in the chat what that would do for you? Yes, I would love to know what that would do for you by the end of this year. And what I love about it, become debt free. Ooh, it would be amazing. It would change my life. Oh, I love that. We could pay off some debt free. Love it. Ooh, yes. There we go. Pamper my family. Oh, I love that. How about no mom guilt?